Hey.
Hey.
You know, say the girl, the maid, right?
Yeah.
Yesterday, me see her.
Really?
Yeah, upon the avenue, she I look direction, she lost.
So you meet her already?
Yeah?
You meet her already?
Well, yeah. And just now, I just see her talk to her in face, it was still, you know. I tell her, face it
Well,
bad.
babe, come here. Come here.
Yeah, go on, you know.
So, you know, it's been a while.
What? What? A while,
But
what?
I must put me here. So it's been a while, right? And I was thinking,
Yeah.
we can have some fun today, like oh, we have maid now and she can do some things. Yes. So we can just have some fun. And
you know, we can just do some foreplay or something, because you know,
foreplay.
You know it no stand up.
What you mean by it now, stand up, skinny?
You don't know fun with you, man. That's why when me up and run and full of fire,
yes,
eat, man, I tell you so. You always tell me say you eat that hurt. Anytime I'm ready, you always
that's
say
logical, babe. If me either hurt me, But no, I want some work. You put in some work and you tell me boy it now get up. And these are the things that cause big problems between me and you. So what you want me to do? Alright, yeah.
So why you blame me now and then? When me ready, when me up and ready now, you tell me say you can't decide.
I want it, no.
But me I tell you say, nah, stand up, babe.
So so what am I to do? What am I to do? What am I to do? What you want me to do? And I know I want it. I can't wait. And them things that make me and you, it just not work. No matter how much try, skinny. But now turn up, you must have some girl road. And them you find time to make girl beat you out. That's why when listen, me know say we have a new person here. I know and them know me turning now. But I'm pissed off because no way every time you want something from you, you're not available to give me it. So how I get it then? What the problem with you? You have a big problem and you need for go and start.
So why you not say you have a problem? When me ready, you never ready?
Headache a normal something. If me head hurt me or my belly hurt me, that's a normal something.
All the time.
You need to go check out that. Eh?
Yo.
Me say if you come here, I know I want it. You talk about. Boy, me say listen man, me can't stand that man here, you know. Me can't stand that man here. God no, you know. No, sir. It not go work. It not go work. This man tell me about foreplay. So when him foreplay and rile me up now, what me for do? What me for do? Sit down, lay down in like an idiot. Eh? Never available for service me the way I want it. Eh? And then I call yourself man. Me supposed to respect you. Rubbish. Bonnie and Clyde, ride and die. Some boy can't get rich without me. Bonnie and Clyde, ride or die. Rich life. Some boy can't get rich without me. Bonnie and Clyde, ride and die. Some boy can't get rich without me. You better the plan to get rich with me. It's me and it's me, man.
John. Father God, tell me, make me know. Show me a sign. What could I really wrong? When me not ready, she not ready. When she not ready, me not ready. But then again, so my time is hard as a rock. So what could I really cause that? Yo. And this not fair. This couldn't fear. This more look like a some sabotaging thing. Cause there's no way me as a man live with my woman. You can't get it when we're ready. We're supposed to get it when we're ready. At any time. The only time me not supposed to can't get it is when she's at the red light. That means it's a stoplight. Channel. I'm not doing this anymore. Don't try. I have to find out if make things work. I can't complain. I can't.
Bonnie and Clyde, ride or die. Some boy now get rich without me. You know why this man looks so sad. My little friend, you know. Gentleman. Hello.
Hey.
Come here for a second. You can help me with the stove.
Stove not really that difficult, you know, just that you have to able to.
It kinda look like our washing machine. So,
yeah, easy.
yeah, me figure my way out of light everything, but the numbers are.
Alright, this one, the one. This and this turn up, the one. You know, this one will right.
Okay. And me do so much things. If you want, you can make it wash your hand and make yourself helpful. You know, one.
Seems like you're almost finished.
Almost.
I never really do these things. I don't really cook and.
First time for everything, right?
I really do them something. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna season up the fish.
Yeah, you can. Or if you want, try the. Have you ever made a whole fashion browning with the sugar and stuff?
Yeah. So why you not use the browning in the bottle?
The reason I never used it in the first place is because you know when you grow with your granny, you want everything all natural. So old fashioned is not bad. It's very healthy.
Where you say granny made.
Yeah. Well, if you put it that way, you can look at it and see her. You know. Sure you won't burn yourself?
No, sir. No, not really. Not to say really, but I'm not a fan of bun, so I mean, really.
I don't know what type of bun you're talking about, but it's
bun as in burn.
Oh, burn.
Yes.
Yeah, you know, life is so funny. We never formally get to know each other, and I never got to say
We not forget
thank you. No, of course. Remember, I was lost.
Yeah, for sure.
And you know, you did me a solid.
We know that still, but you know, and it's not like everything you have to get personal. Some things, well, if me never give direction, who would I give direction? So it's like it was ordained for me to give you the direction without you have to say thanks. And most of us don't really understand that about life. Is that there are certain things that happen where it meant to be. You understand? It meant for me to give you that direction. So it's no big deal, man, you know? It's no big deal.
It makes sense, cause you know, I'm like my last about 3 hours or so forth. And then when I look, I was like so frustrated, exhausted, and then it's like, you know, faith.
Yeah.
Because look at it, you helped me get back on the main road. You know, I'm grateful because now me at work.
That good man, everything happened for a reason, eh? For sure.
Yeah, I guess so.